So if you have cracked up your camera glass just like this, don't worry, it's not a big job to do. What you want to do is first order a new one. So let's take it out. It doesn't matter the color because you will only use the piece of glass, so the rest of it you can throw it away. I don't think you want to change the whole camera with this plastic and all, because it's too much work to do. So I think you will stick to this glass only. So what you first want to do is, of course, take the old glass off. So I will use this knife. Just take care not to damage the camera lens. This is a very easy task to do. Theoretically, anyone can do it. So now you can blow some air here if you want to. You can even try to clean the lens a bit, but don't push it because you will break the out of focus. So be very gentle if you are doing this. So that's enough. Now I will take this old adhesive off. Or at least I will try to. So now that we're done with the cleaning, what you want to do is take some adhesive. Just don't use too much because it's going to go inside your lens. So you only want to use a bit. Now remove this protective film of the new lens you got. and now just push it inside. So that's it. It will stick there. So let's make a test. I got a really clear view, so it's okay. So thanks for watching and please subscribe.